In this tutorial I will show you how to fix this site can't be reached in Android. First of all, make sure you have a good internet connection. Then go to the Play Store. Here search for Google Chrome. Check here whether update is available. If there is an update available, then update the Chrome. And then check if the problem is fixed. If not, then go to Phone Settings. Go to Apps. Here you have to search for the Chrome browser and tap on it. Then go to the storage. Now clear the cache. And after clearing the cache, open the Chrome and check whether the problem is fixed. If not, then you need also to clear the data. And hopefully this will fix the issue.